One of the best features of BlackVue DR900S 2-channel 4K UHD dashcam cloud. Yes, you can enjoy remote live view, GPS tracking, two-way voice communication, and push notifications to your phone through BlackVue over the cloud for free. Alright, let's have some real demo here. Start with real-time push notification. Enter parking mode. Here is the previous connected notification. You can play event auto-upload file from cloud directly or download them to view locally. And here is the remote live view features. Great to monitor your car in real time from anywhere, anytime. Event auto-upload files are uploaded to BlackVue Cloud automatically when there is special event occur. They will store for 2 days on free account and can't be deleted manually. You can configure BlackVue DR900S through internet just like Wi-Fi locally. Check the camera info, firmware version, and so on. Let's have a look on the cloud setting. Start with event auto-upload settings. Set which event video should be uploaded. Example, normal mode, parking mode, or manual recording. And do take note that it can upload only one camera live footage to cloud storage. Here is the privacy settings. You can control whether to share BlackVue location, live view video, audio, and camera name publicly or not. Control is totally up to you. And the usual firmware setting that you can find through Wi-Fi locally. Do check out all the functions on user manual. Lastly, let's have another look on the real-time push notification alert again. I'm faking an impact on parking recording mode now, and here comes the alert. Again, an event video will be uploaded to cloud automatically too. That's all for BlackVue over the cloud. Thanks for watching. Thumb up to support me, and I will see you again. Peace.